Are open web links in app not working properly on the LinkedIn app? If web links open in the wrong place, don't open inside LinkedIn, or the setting isn't being applied correctly, these steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix open web links in app on LinkedIn app. The first thing you have to do is to go to LinkedIn. Then here on this page, you will go to above to this sign of profile. You will enter to settings. Here in this page, you will find this window of visibility. You will tap here. We'll go to account preferences here, and then we'll find open web links, and you will tap here to enable this feature and fix problem. So please don't forget